welcome back to the series.
Welcome back.
New video.
We are in Dumfries and Galloway this time,
Galloway.
just for a few days.
And we're going to head to where?
Somewhere near Castle Douglas, a castle called Threave Castle, I think that's how you pronounce it.
We've had our coffee and now we're going to hit the road to Threave Castle.
Start our adventure there.
Come join us. We've made it onto Threave.
It's a little nature reserve where the castle is. You can't go in the castle at the moment, I don't know how long it's closed for, but there's like a nice little walk you can do around. It's like only like 2 kilometres, which is like a mile, and you can look out for some wildlife, and otters are often seen here.
Right, it's lovely. So
Want to see something?
we're gonna get ourselves on the nature reserve and have a look around. We're just heading down to Wildlife Hide.
I'm just going to go up that hill.
Oh, Emma's going up a
You
hill.
always get better views at the top.
Right, Emma's going up a hill. Just that hill, just behind me, you can see the castle just poking out from the trees. We'll get there shortly. We're just heading to that Wildlife Hide I mentioned.
Going into a little hide. Looking at me. It's got a feather in its mouth. So we are currently in a little hide. I'm just testing out my new lens. It's got a beast. It's so good. Just been capturing a heron, which will show you the footage. Moving. He's moving slowly. Is he seeing something? Distracted. Ooh. Oh no, don't focus on them. Oh, what I really want to see, some otters. Otters were spotted here yesterday, so I'm on a lookout. Probably the wrong time of the day to see them, but you never know. So yeah. But the heron, so cute. Just up there, chilling in the water. Hoping it's going to get some food, but yeah, just stood chilling. Anyway, better be quiet. I like herons. He's after something,
Is it cold? We're finishing the bird hide.
No otters were seen.
No otters yet, but we're heading now to the castle on the other side.
Still got my beast of a lens on my camera.
Bless you. We're just on the path that winds back down to make it a circular, heading back towards the car park. Emma's changing the lens back over. The castle when we visited was closed, and there's boats that take you across the river to the castle if you want to go look at Threave Castle. Just for everyone's awareness, but check their website for details.
Put this beast away. Look who's making our lunch today. This is his duty in the van. Our sandwiches. Does a good sandwich. Well, it's just a cheese sandwich. But he does a grand job, don't you?
Someone's got to.
We're about to head down to Castle Douglas. There's a little potter around there. Just going to check the fridge is all alright.
We've arrived in Castle Douglas, so we're going to have a look in co-op and have a little look around.
We're parked in the car park. That's why we need to go.
We're just making our way down to the Lochside, nearby where the Lochside Theatre is, here in Castle Douglas, just to see what's down by the loch. She's so eager. Sun's out, we're going to get ourselves back to the van, and then we're going to head over and get some provisions from a local supermarket, and then make our way further towards Dumfries and Galloway. She's so excited.
I'm crying.
We're going to pop to a local shop now to get some provisions, and then we're going to go and find our spot for tonight.
We need fuel.
I think you need fuel.
I need fuel. So this Tesco's in Castle Douglas does not have a petrol station, so no fuel for us.
Turn left onto Ernestby Road.
But Alex did get himself some leopard cheese, some Galloway cheese, was it?
Yeah.
So he'll let you know in due course what that tastes like.
We've reached our spot for the evening, and it smells like a fan favourite.
Curry.
Curry.
Naan bread.
Whose nan's bread?
Yes, naan bread.
Settling down to our tea. So yeah, fan favourite curry.
Naan bread and curry. No rice.
No bread and curry, no, we don't need rice, do we? I'm going to dig in.
Look at that lovely view you've got behind it. There's a lot doing. Oops, I mean to press that.
Why run?
There you go.
That's it, the pots are all done. What are you doing? Pots are all done. Thanks for joining us on our first day here in Dumfries and Galloway. We'll see you next week / tomorrow.
Yes. On next week's episode.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
See ya. Goodbye for now.